Hello, my name is Tai Fujimura. I'm the founder of Cantilever. We are a web design and development studio, and today I'm going to show you a project that we worked on, which is a landing page for our clients, Zoono. Zoono is a unique health product that creates a physical barrier between surfaces and germs. It makes it so that germs literally die on contact with whatever you put the Zoono product on. So they have everything from hand sanitizers to sprays that you can use in your workplace or home, or that can be used in healthcare environments that make germs unable to persist and make spaces cleaner and safer, especially for people with weakened immune systems. So we recently just started working with them, and we produced this landing page for them that is acting as a way for people to get to know the brand and to understand what they do. So let's dig in. This is our page. This page is centered around parents, and so we are showing imagery that would be particularly relevant to parents. One unique or fun element we wanted to add is this graphic of germs approaching someone, but if they have the Zoono product on them, the germs are unable to last. And so we provide a very easy, simple, literal image of how the product works right off the bat in the hero area here. We're also pairing that with short bits of copy. On our sites, we like to show and not tell as much as we can, but copy is key, and it's especially important for new products. On this project, we worked with our partners By and Large, who we frequently collaborate with, and they developed really amazing, very clear and concise copy that describes everything about the product. Moving further down in the page, you can see the primary calls to action are to learn more about their most prominent product, which is the hand sanitizer products, but you can also shop the full line of Zoono products here in the header and give them a call if you have any questions. So further down the page, we're showing the key attributes of the product, the reasons why you might be interested in it. We're offering different kits of product that come with associated discounts and are good ideas to have as a unit as opposed to just ordering individual bottles. Below that, we're showing more information about what makes the product special. This links through to a video that explains a lot of the benefits of the product, particularly for families, and we're pairing that with images, again, with the image of germs exploding on contact, which is literally what happens at a microbial level. So it's really unique technology that is way different from regular hand sanitizer, and that's what we're trying to illustrate here. And one, there are several key points that go with that, but two of the big ones are that you have to only apply it once a day. So normal alcohol-oriented hand sanitizer will come off your skin during the day, whereas the Zoono product bonds to your skin and won't come off. And it's also resistant to superbugs because germs can't develop resistance to the physical technology that they use. There's no way. So really unique and interesting product, and we tried to get into that here with this page. At the end of the page, we have two primary follow-up actions. You can either go to that full store, which is on their main website, or read more about the technology. So this is the kind of page that we develop when we want to really hone in on a particular market segment, or we want to give people a place to just get a concise vision of a product. And then this kind of page would lead through to a full website, which is what's happening here. But what we also wanted to focus on here, and I'd like to demonstrate for you, is analytics and tracking. So it's very important when you're doing e-commerce work to connect user actions with future behavior and to start to understand the trends where if someone's interested in a certain product, what's the likelihood that they purchase in the future? What kinds of products do people purchase after they show interest in different things? So with this page, we've also developed an infrastructure for Zoono to do really advanced and pinpoint research and to understand their audience much better. And that all runs through a Google Tag Manager instance, and their partner NYC SEM, who is their digital marketing partner, and we also worked with them to make sure that the Google Tag Manager configuration is correct. And what Google Tag Manager does is it lets you create one unified suite of events within your page's code and then syndicate those events to various services without having to rewrite the code. So when you look at the code of the website, the code is very clean and concise and only needs to be written once to enable events to go to Google Tag Manager. And then from Google Tag Manager, either we or the client or their partners can create independent events that send data from Google Tag Manager to different services. So traditionally, if you wanted to do Google Analytics along with Facebook Pixel to track some of your digital marketing spend, that would have required custom coding to implement both of those tags within the website. But with Google Tag Manager, we set it up at the outset, so any tags that the client wants to utilize in the future can be set up and torn down with ease. And so you can see here, this is a preview within the Google Tag Manager ecosystem, and this shows, based on the things that have just happened, namely loading the page, which events have been sent to various services. And these services are all in use by the client to monitor what actually happens after someone who clicks an ad ends up on the page, because you want to be able to continually improve and tweak your ads for the best possible performance. That's the kind of thing that we're really good at in Cantilever, is developing a system where you can get the data you need to make really smart decisions. And that's one reason why having a website that's built properly and built from scratch the way that we do it can be much more valuable over the long term, even if it's a greater upfront investment. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.